Nicole's day.
When I woke up today in the morning, I looked through the window and I saw many beautiful birds. So I opened the window to hear them sing. It was a common day. I got up, I took a shower, and I went to the kitchen to have breakfast. I had only a glass of milk and ate bread. Then I brushed my teeth and I got dressed to go to school. After school, I went to Rebecca's home. She invited me for lunch because today is her birthday. In the afternoon, we both went out and walked to the park near her home. Dirk and Jose were there and we played hide and seek. It was a perfect day, but it was getting late and I had to go. My mom was waiting for me. When I got home, I had dinner with my family and watched TV. Fortunately, I didn't have any homework because tomorrow is Saturday, and the teacher never asks us to do any homework on the weekend. She says that we only have to have fun on the weekend. I agree with her.